School is back, and if you're a student, you're going to love this. ChatGPT can actually help you study smarter, save time, and even make homework easier. Let me show you exactly how. Now, first of all, for example, let's do like math homework. Help, okay? Now, let's write down, okay? So this is our homework, for example. Okay, this is the problem. Tap here. And normally you would spend time, solving it step by step, but with ChatGPT, just type in, okay, solve this, and ChatGPT not only gives you the answer, but also explains the steps. Everything is here step by step. The next one, summarizing texts and notes. Let's just paste the text here and just type summarize. That is a lot to read. Just copy it into ChatGPT and ask summarize, or maybe summarize this into sentences. It comes back with something simple like this one. Now you have short, clear notes, perfect for revision. Third way, actually, for essay and writing help. You know, writing essays can be tough, especially coming up with ideas. ChatGPT can help brainstorm topics. For example, let's just paste the question here. Give me 3 essay ideas about technology and society. Boom! Now I have got great starting points. I can even ask ChatGPT to create an outline to help structure my essay. Number 4, for study tools and flashcards. Let's say I'm learning biology. I can ask make flashcards about the human digestive system, for example. Let's just paste it here. And tap here. Super simple. I can copy these into a notes app or just study directly. Whether it's solving math problems, summarizing long texts, generating essay ideas, or even creating study flashcards, ChatGPT can really be like your study buddy this school year. Just remember, it is here to help you learn, not to do all the work for you. Use it wisely, and you'll save time while actually understanding more. Good luck this school year. Share with your friends. And thanks for watching.